Hello, NeXT community. I wanted to show you guys, I'm 3D printing out. It's nice to be 3D printing again. The cube mounting bracket for Brian Archer's third-party sound card. And this mounts into one of the back slats. Looks like it's putting a raft on here which should peel away, but the detail is phenomenal. I'm going to take you over to this other project here for him. There we go. So I've got the ADB NeXT mouse, the keyboard feet, and I've really got this new 3D printer dialed in. Look at the detail on this new I/O box. It's pretty phenomenal. And the color is called Galaxy. I figured for the black hole, I'd give him a little personal touch. I'm gonna throw on this tugboat for him. It's like a Cracker Jack fries, right? Look at the detail, though. It's just amazing. So, you know, it's dialed in when it's getting that kind of detail. I really like the sparkles, too. And then here is the German non-ADB keyboard. We had a 50-50 shot yesterday, and, well, we sent a Swiss one out, and I had this German one set aside. It was an honest mistake. Sprechen Sie Deutsch, bitte? I understand the difference. But my assistant, Lori, she's learning. And she had a 50-50 shot, and she grabbed the Swiss keyboard. Thankfully, Frank is very understanding. And I am sure there is somebody out there that will enjoy that Swiss keyboard on that side of the pond eventually. So stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole. This ADB NeXT mouse is, they call it the puck, or the Mickey Mouse. I'm going to test to make sure it works. And then I like to use this Armor All to help take out some of the dust, you know. And then I've got that really nice blower that clears out all the dust now, rather than use cans of, canned air. So it's good for the atmosphere, and it does a phenomenal job. All right, stay tuned. I am stoked to be 3D printing again. And I'm going to start, I've got the dimension board back, so I'm going to show Sean his TurboCube Dimension booting this afternoon as well. Stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole.